Alright guys, let's see what's going on with the big old turkey Bitcoin. We're looking at the daily chart and the data I have is to 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on February the 7th. Bitcoin finally broke out of this consolidations, crossed over the 42,000. Right now it is trading at 42.7, or up about 0.7%. Let's take a quick jump over to the 4-hour chart. Last time when we looked at Bitcoin was 2 days ago. That's after Bitcoin spiked up big, and the minute it tested the 42,000, which is a major resistance level, if we look at the 42,000, that when Bitcoin had this major flash crash and it found support right at 42,000. So now the 42,000 became the major resistance. So after Bitcoin ran up and tested 42,000, it got rejected. Consolidate, tested again, get rejected. Seller trying to take over and push the price down. But the minute it dropped down to about 41,000, bounced right back up. So this was a good sign, a sign that the bull is definitely in control. The price bounced up, consolidate, briefly crossed over the 42,000. Seller rejected it, but then retested again, and yesterday it finally crossed over. Now another thing is, after this major spike up in price, Bitcoin pulled back and consolidated. So essentially what happening is it was forming this very nice little bull flag. This is the flagpole and this is the flag. The minute Bitcoin broke out and crossed over 42,000, it's technically confirmed the breakout of this bull flag. And the target should take it to about 47,000. Now looking at the daily chart, Bitcoin right now is testing the 50 days moving average, which is this white line. And let me zoom in. Early this morning, Bitcoin actually was able to briefly cross over the 50 days. It ran all the way up to about 43,000, but get rejected. Right now it is stabilizing, and I believe very soon it's going to try to test this again. 50 days moving average is extremely critical. We need Bitcoin to be able to push and cross over that. A close above the 50-day, which is around 43,000 today, would be extremely bullish. So the first major resistance level is right at the 50 days. If Bitcoin can cross over that, then at 43.5, that is going to be another major hurdle. If it can cross over that, most likely it's going to run up to our target price of about 46,000. It is very rare to see that after breakout, the price would immediately run to the target price. More likely it's going to face some pushback and kind of like zigzagged way, but eventually reach the target price. What we have right now is this is the low point. This is a higher low point. By connect these two low points, connect this point with that point and just extend that up. And now extend that up, that would give us a channel. And if you look at this here, the price has very much oscillated within this channel. You see it's bounce up, retrace, bounce up, retrace, found support, bounce right back up, and now it is kind of like riding, but stay below the resistance of this upward channel. So we could potentially see it make a look back, something like this, or even retest the 39.5 again before it bounce up and eventually reach our target price. So don't be surprised if we see Bitcoin retest either the 42,000 or the 39.5 again, but most likely it will continue to trend up following this upward channel and reach our target price of around 47,000. So in a nutshell, I'm pretty sure that Bitcoin is out of trouble and it is heading toward 46,000. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.